Hello. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Digital Marketing in Digital Marketing. In Module 1, we have these topics: the history and evolution of digital marketing, the advantages and disadvantages of digital marketing, the role of digital marketing in the overall marketing mix. The history and evolution of digital marketing can be traced back to the early days of the Internet in the 1990s. At that time, digital marketing primarily involved using email and banner ads to reach audiences. However, as the Internet continued to grow and evolve, so did digital marketing. In the early 2000s, search engine optimization (SEO) became a popular technique for improving website rankings on search engines. This led to the emergence of pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, which allowed advertisers to bid on specific keywords and only pay when users clicked on their ads. Social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter began to gain popularity in the mid-2000s, and digital marketers quickly saw the potential for advertising on these platforms. This led to the development of social media marketing, which involves using social media channels to promote products and services. In the late 2000s and early 2010s, mobile devices became more prevalent, and mobile marketing became a significant part of digital marketing. This involved optimizing websites and ads for mobile devices, as well as developing mobile apps to engage with users. In recent years, digital marketing has continued to evolve and expand with the emergence of new technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI), virtual reality (VR), and voice search. AI is being used to personalize marketing messages and improve targeting, while VR and voice search are creating new opportunities for immersive experiences and natural language interactions. Overall, the history and evolution of digital marketing have been shaped by technological advancements and changes in consumer behavior. As new technologies continue to emerge, digital marketers will need to stay up to date and adapt their strategies to stay relevant and effective. Advantages of digital marketing. 1. Wider reach. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach a wider audience compared to traditional marketing channels. With the Internet, businesses can target people from all over the world. 2. Cost-effective. Digital marketing can be more cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. For example, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter offer affordable advertising options that small businesses can leverage to reach their target audience. 3. Measurable results. Digital marketing provides measurable results in real time, allowing businesses to track the performance of their campaigns and adjust their strategies accordingly. 4. Increased engagement. Digital marketing allows businesses to engage with their customers in a more personalized way. For example, businesses can use email marketing to send personalized. Disadvantages of digital marketing. 5. Information overload. Consumers are often bombarded with a vast amount of digital marketing messages every day, which can lead to information overload and result in them ignoring or blocking marketing messages. 6. Technical skills. Digital marketing requires technical skills such as website design, SEO, and data analytics. This can be a disadvantage for small businesses that lack the resources or expertise to manage these aspects of digital marketing. 7. Dependence on technology. Digital marketing relies on technology, and any technical issues such as website downtime or server errors can result in lost opportunities and revenue. 8. Privacy concerns. Digital marketing involves collecting and using personal data, which can raise privacy concerns and lead to customers feeling uncomfortable with the use of their data. Overall, digital marketing offers many advantages, but it also has its drawbacks. It's important for businesses to weigh the pros and cons of digital marketing and carefully plan and execute their strategies to achieve their goals effectively. Digital marketing plays a critical role in the overall marketing mix. It's an essential tool for businesses of all sizes and industries to reach and engage with their target audience. Here are some key roles that digital marketing plays in the marketing mix. 1. Enhancing brand awareness. Digital marketing can help increase brand awareness by reaching a wider audience through various digital channels such as social media, email, and search engines. 2. Building customer relationships. Digital marketing provides an opportunity for businesses to engage with customers on a more personalized level, creating deeper and more meaningful relationships. 3. Driving traffic and leads. Digital marketing can drive traffic to a company's website and generate leads through various tactics such as SEO, PPC advertising, and social media marketing. 4. Measuring and optimizing marketing efforts. Digital marketing provides real-time data and analytics, allowing businesses to measure the effectiveness of their marketing efforts and make informed decisions about how to optimize them for better results. 5. Complementing traditional marketing. Digital marketing can complement traditional marketing efforts such as print advertising, radio, and TV commercials by providing a cost-effective way to reach a wider audience and generate leads. In summary, digital marketing is a critical component of the overall marketing mix. It provides an opportunity for businesses to enhance brand awareness, build customer relationships, drive traffic and leads, measure and optimize marketing efforts, and complement traditional marketing methods. By leveraging digital marketing effectively, businesses can achieve their marketing goals and stay ahead of the competition. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.